Hello, freshman class. This is Miss Bree from the College and Career Center. It is time to start working on your Naviance Quarter 1 task. So I'm going to help you navigate where to find your to-dos for this first quarter. I will need you to log in to Clever using your laptop login. It'll bring you to your Clever portal where you'll click on Naviance, taking you to your Naviance dashboard. Should say your name in the top left corner. Once you're there, you're going to scroll down to the important to-dos and tasks. So your first task is to create a 9th grade short-term SMART goal. Once you click on it, you will then have to find the pink arrow and find the link that says create a goal. It gives you a description of the goals that they want you to complete. So your assignment is to work on your short-term goal as well as your long-term goal. In order to complete the assignment, you will need to establish a short-term goal. So is it you want to end your freshman year with a 3.0 GPA? If so, how are you going to get there? And you will need to answer each one of these questions. Make sure you hit add once you've filled in all of the boxes. Once you're done with your short-term goal, you will then need to add a long-term goal. It's going to ask you the same questions, but your goal should be different. So think a little bit ahead in the future. What is a long-term goal? What do you want to be when you grow up? Maybe where do you want to go to school? Think of the things that are a little bit in the future and see if you can create a goal out of it. So those are your 2 tasks to complete. Make sure you add both of those to your planner. Once you've completed it, it should take it away from your to-do list. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask your advocate, or, of course, we have the College Center Google Classroom for the class of 2024. Our information is that top post, so you can email us at any time if you have questions. If you need us to walk you through something, we do have our Zoom link on Wednesdays during FA. So there are multiple ways to contact us. Please reach out to us if you have any trouble. Thank you and good luck.